how differently we all see things. And I think that's wonderful because we're all individuals. And when I started painting, I don't know what I'm going to discover. But as I go along, so I see things. And I think that as you examine a painting, you see things also, even though you didn't paint it, but you see it your own way. So I'm curious actually to know what you see. And I'm going to hold up a painting close up and just see. Now, as I went along and painted this painting, I started to see strange worlds unfold, strange creatures, and in fact, many worlds, worlds within worlds. Now, I'll just let you look at it and let you perceive maybe creatures, vegetation, entries into other worlds. We all see independently. There isn't only one way of seeing. It would be awful if there was only one way of seeing. So I'm really curious to know what you see.